Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get an MSM private server. First, understand that a private server allows for custom game experiences beyond official versions. You'll need to acquire the necessary server files and a special game client. Always check that your device has enough storage and processing power to run both the server and the game smoothly. This setup provides a unique way to enjoy My Singing Monsters with added flexibility. Next, let's get those server files installed. Begin by downloading the private server package from a reputable community website or forum. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer to keep things organized. You'll then need to configure the server settings, which typically involves editing a configuration file to specify database connections and ensure the correct port numbers are open for communication. Now it's time to bring your server online. Start the server application and carefully monitor for any error messages, ensuring all services initialize properly. On your device, install the modified game client, which is essential for connecting to a private server. You'll need to update its connection settings to point to your server's IP address or domain name. Once configured, launch the game client and connect to your very own My Singing Monsters private server. With your private server running, you can now dive into customization. Many private servers allow you to modify game parameters, like adjusting resource generation rates or even unlocking rare monsters. Engaging with online communities is highly recommended. They offer valuable insights, help with troubleshooting, and often share new custom content. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.